I'm Marcus Shepard from Idaho. Came down here to pick up this trailer. We're in Brigham City. I like Diamond C's. I've had another one that's the WTD dump trailer, the 20-foot gooseneck dump trailer, tandem duals on it. I like the hinges on it, the doors on it, the tires are really good, the brakes were awesome on it, and the deck's real strong. And so that's got me buying another one, got me into this one. Been really pleased with the performance of them, and yeah, I'm just really confident with them. They work better than all the other ones I've had, so that's kind of why I've been coming back to them. I haul a track skid steer, 279D, a Mini X a lot, different pickups, and I just like being able to have the tilt come down, not screwing with ramps. Sometimes you have to have ramps like that dump trailer. It's got ramps, there's no way around that. But then having a tilt deck, just loading and unloading way quicker, way easier, way faster, a lot less drama, you know. The hydraulic's nice because it's not slamming down, it's not slamming up and down when you're loading and unloading. You can lock it up, have it stay up while you get something on there, and then release it and tilt it down, so.